Here, the male beluga does what some might say is nature's version of the hokey pokey. Oh, I'm just wrapping up a documentary here. Listen, voice and on-camera actor Jordan Hunter-Jones. What's going on? You may have heard me before or seen me before, didn't even know it. I'm in commercials.
Oh, nobody panic. It's just a text saying my son got arrested. Something about grand theft, whatever. The point is, it's not a buoy alert.
No, relax. He was fine.
United Rentals understands.
Yeah, pointing dude. That was me. I'm in movies.
Stop!
Hi, that's me.
Dude, you ain't gonna have to act, because that's gonna hurt like hell. Fire in the hole!
Funny guy.
I also voice tons of things. Video games.
All right. Welcome to New Austin, Maxwell. Good to have you back.
Cartoons.
My name's Al Volange. I'm a search and rescue expert. This is my partner, Claus.
That one still cracks me up. Hey, I'm also the voice of this guy.
Can't control myself. I'm going Google for Google Pops.
I know, right? Google me. There's tons more stuff out there. So, let me ask you this. How would you like to learn about the world of voice acting from this guy? No. Go ahead. Pinch yourself. I'll wait. You're not dreaming. I'm kidding, but it is true. Every month, I take on a couple of new students under my wing, and I teach them the ins and outs of the voiceover industry. Now, these sessions are done private, one-on-one, hour-long sessions, and they're far more affordable than they should be. Ugh. Anyway, they are. But imagine having a proven, veteran, accomplished voice actor in your corner helping you get started in the crazy and exciting world of voice acting. Yeah, just me and you, taking on the world like Bonnie and Clyde, Santa and Rudolph, Batman and Robin. I'd be Batman. Anyway, like I said, these sessions are far cheaper than they should be. They do fill up fast, so smack the bejesus out of that sign up button. That way I can meet you. We can answer all your questions, fill in all the blanks, and you can show the world the beautiful gift you have just waiting inside you to give out once it's been trained and properly coached. But it's in there. Why are you still watching this? Sign up now so we can talk and get the ball rolling. Do I have to do everything?